Mining is essential and mining is dangerous. In fact, mining is the most dangerous industry in the world. Roughly 15,000 mining-related deaths are reported annually, and we have every reason to believe that that number is actually much higher, due to making the industry seem safer than it is to regulators, investors, and consumers, according to the Wall Street Journal. We've come a long way, however, from panning for gold in streams and transporting ore by mule through treacherous territories. Enter drones. Also called unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs for short. Drones are saving lives, making mining a safer industry and a safer investment. They are being used to photograph, measure, and survey sites, as well as for evaluating site conditions, staff, vehicles, equipment, and for geological surveys in real time. They are also used to determine if there is enough metal to make an operation worthwhile, including identifying boundaries of crests and toes, berm heights, slope lengths, and elevation changes. They make maintenance, transportation, and deliveries easier and faster, especially in remote locations like jungles, deserts, and mountains. Ongoing innovations and military research are enabling drones to carry heavier loads and with better aerodynamics and guidance systems. While automation of any sort gets flack for taking away jobs, in this situation, drones are enabling safer mining practices and better productivity, as well as assuring investors that the industry is making strides towards being more ethical and sustainable. Drones also save a lot of money. With all of their combined utilities, drones provide accurate information and site details for around 10% of the cost and time of airplane and terrestrial surveys. The Jellinbah coal mine in Australia cited a savings of around $4,000 per survey, using drones instead of planes. In application, big names in mining are already using drones, including Rio Tinto, the world's second largest metals and mining corporation, BHP, a leading global resource company, Anglo American, a British multinational mining company, and Ferrexpo, a Swiss-based commodity trading and mining company. These solutions are long overdue. Mining is essential, and so is protecting human life and the environment. Drones ensure these two extra levels of security. As investors, we can have peace of mind that the mining of metals will continue as such, and that our most precious resources, as well as our investments, are being protected.